Hi everybody, Sanbanani. Welcome to Reality Bus TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So listen, you guys, after Uthando Zesthembu finishes, we are going to start watching Izingane Zesthembu. I think it's coming on, I think, the 25th of May. So we are on episode 17 right now on Uthando Zesthembu, and we are supposed to get 24 episodes. So we only have eight episodes left. So I think right after Uthando Zesthembu, we would be getting Izingane Zesthembu. So it makes sense right now that they are doing interviews and they are making sure that articles are being written about Izingane Zesthembu to promote the coming season, which is season 3 of Izingane Zesthembu. The thing that's different about the coming season is that, of course, Uvuyo is not going to be part of that season because, of course, she is no longer part of the family. She's no longer part of Izingane Mpumelelo. She's just a baby mama, but she's not going to be part of the show. She said her goodbyes last season. So Tirelo will be the only one that we know of, and they are saying that there's another girlfriend that is going to be joining. Isithembu so we don't know who that is because uNosipho Cele, the virgin, is no longer part of the WhatsApp group. So we're wondering who's going to be, joining Tirelo. So in this article, you guys, from Daily Sun, they are saying that they spoke to Tirelo, and let's find out what's happening here because she says, listen, I don't even know why I'm still with Mpumelelo. Listen, you guys, so let's find out. What did she say when she did the interview with Daily Sun? It says here, drama and heartbreak in Izingane Zesthembu. This is an article written by Andiswa Ngenyane. It says, reality star Tirelo Kale is coming back as a grown woman. She'll be on the upcoming season of Izingane Zesthembu, which is set to premiere on the 25th of May on Mzansi Magic. She told Daily Sign that she's coming back with a lot of growth, okay? We all know that season 2 ended with Uvuyo and Tirelo almost getting into a physical fight. Remember when Mpumelelo was just sitting there making sure ukuthi isuthi yakhe ayingcoli when his girlfriends were almost getting into a physical fight. Izingane Zesthembu follows the lives of polygamist Musa Mselego's kids. Tirelo, who's 25, is the girlfriend and baby mama of one of Mselego's sons, Mpumelelo Mselego. She was introduced in season 1 and 2 as Mpumelelo's second girlfriend. However, in the previous season, the first girlfriend, Uvuyo Ncibeni, left the relationship, making Tirelo number 1. All I can say is that it's going to be a roller coaster of a lot of emotions. There is so much realization of a lot of things. I'd like to say there's so much growth that can be expected from me. This is Tirelo saying, I will grow and realize a lot of things, she said. Viewers of the show have been pushing for Tirelo and other girlfriends to leave Mpumelelo. My response to that question is that I also don't know why I'm still with him. I honestly don't know. I don't know. I don't want to lie because when you love somebody, you love them. People can't even convince you to stop loving them. Sometimes not even God can move you away from that person. You'll have to start realizing for yourself and decide whether you want to live or not, she said. Mpumelelo has another girlfriend who will be introduced in the new season. In the previous season, he has revealed that he wanted to pay lobola. When asked if marriage was on the cards, Tirelo said people should just stay tuned for the season 3 to come back and see how everything unfolds. But all I can say now is that there will be a lot of heartbreaks and realization going on. She said even though she's been on the show 3 seasons now, she still hasn't gotten used to to reality TV. In all honesty, I wouldn't say I'm used to reality TV things because we deal with with something new every season. It's something you can't master. Also, we are doing this 24 hours a day. You don't get used to it. I haven't gotten used to how reality TV works, added Tirelo. So here it is, you guys. Tirelo is coming back for season 3. She says that there's going to be a lot of growth, a lot of, I guess, surprises for us. There's definitely another girlfriend that is coming, and I don't know. Do you think that the heartbreak would be her getting, her heart broken? I don't know, you guys. But I mean, I guess if you are with somebody like Mpumelelo, you should be expecting a heartbreak or two. Should you be expecting it, or you should just remove emotions from a relationship? You should just keep yourself safe, you guys. So here it is, you guys. Listen, I with Izingane Zesthembu, I'm usually relaxed about it. It's not like Izingane Zesthembu where I'm like, yo, I can't wait for the show, because they don't have like, as much drama and deep stuff like Izingane Zesthembu has. It's still an enjoyable show, but it's not as exciting as Izingane Zesthembu. And I'm still looking forward to it. But, I do hope that they have something different this season, because we've always had season 1 and 2 was the same thing. It was like Mpumelelo, the baby mama's snare, and then the others were just showing up, like Umpilo, no Abo, no, and no Lwandle were just showing up, just showing up to have dinner, showing up to have lunch, showing up for the trip, but they weren't doing much, okay? And then season 2, it was the same. So I'm hoping that this season we see something different, okay? It was almost like if Sneh Nompumelelo can withdraw from the show, then we wouldn't have the show. So I hope the others participate just a little bit more than we've seen in the past, okay? Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. What do you expect this season? Okay, and also like the video before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngenithanda kakhulu.